गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। सो आई विल बी रिव्यूइंग इन दिस वीडियो प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम स्विस ब्यूटी, क्योंकि वो प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करके मैंने काइंड ऑफ एक बेसिक मेकअप क्रिएट किया था. सो दीज वर द प्रोडक्ट्स like primer, mousse, foundation. Second was the matte lipstick. Then I used the everyday compact powder, which is also from Swiss Beauty, and then I used the makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. So all these products I used for the makeup look, and so I'll be sharing the review about these products. So starting from the primer mousse foundation, this is in the shade natural beige 02. बेसिकली आई थिंक स्विस ब्यूटी के रेंज में जो शेड्स है वो बहुत ही मिनिमम है. लाइक आई डेंट गेट अ शेड मैच ऑफ माई कॉम्प्लेक्शन, एंड दिस इज़ टू लाइट फॉर मी. इट सेज नेचुरल बेज. बेसिकली जो बाकी रेंज है, बाकी कंपनीज, बाकी ब्रांड के जो भी है, वो नेचुरल बेज में मुझे सूट कर जाते हैं, बट दिस इज़ वेरी लाइट फॉर मी. दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ नाइस प्रोडक्ट. लाइक आपको प्राइमर और फाउंडेशन अलग यूज़ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट दिस इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट ऑन योर स्किन. वाइल अप्लाइंग यू फील वेरी लाइक द एप्लीकेशन इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट. You don't feel heavy. It is very lightweight. That I liked about it. I would say like इसमें shade range होनी चाहिए. ये last shade था basically when I bought this. So yeah, this is a trial pack. I always try to buy the trial pack first, use it on my skin, and then invest on the bigger sizes of the product. क्योंकि मैं पहले बहुत like ह्यूज साइज बड़ा वाला पैकेट ले लूँ और देन वो वेस्ट जाए, वो यूज़ भी ना है. सो इट इज़ बेटर टू यूज़ द ट्रायल पैक फर्स्ट एंड देन यूज़ द बिगर पैक इफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट सूट्स योर स्किन. सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी लाइक नाइस वे ऑफ लाइक ट्राइंग प्रोडक्ट्स बेसिकली फॉर मी. आप लोग भी ये ट्राई कर सकते हो कि आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट का ट्रायल पैक पहले यूज़ करो, देन उसके बाद अगर वो आपकी स्किन को या आपकी बॉडी को सूट करता है, आप उसका जो भी रिसर्च कर रहे हो, आपके रिसर्च के हिसाब से वो कैसे आपको लाइक सूट हो रहा है या नहीं, वो आपको आपके बेसिस पे ही बाय करना चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ अ ट्रायल पैक एंड आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो इफ आई विल बी गेटिंग अ शेड मैच ऑफ माई रेंज, आई विल बी डेफिनेटली बाइंग इट इन फ्यूचर. सो दिस वॉज द रिव्यू ऑफ प्राइमर मूव्स फाउंडेशन. Next I'll switch to the Swiss Beauty matte compact. This is in my like shade. Basically it's the compact is very nice. ज़्यादा heavy feel नहीं है. पहले जो compact मैं यूज़ करती थी वो काफ़ी like cakey feel करवाते थे while applying the compact. This is like quite nice. So this is basic matte compact and इसका application is also really good. This shade of the like shade of this compact is 05 almond. As you can see, it is 05 almond. So yeah, this is like very affordable. If you want to buy an affordable compact, you can go for this one. So next is the lipstick that I have applied right now. This is not suiting my skin, like the complexion of my skin. This is not at all suiting. I thought this will be looking good. Basically I used to like matte earlier. Ye utni I'm not liking this one. This is the shade Spice Nude 03. If I'll show you the product, sorry अभी टूट जाती है. So product is kind of this. Packaging बहुत अच्छी है. Packaging बहुत like premium kind of है. There is no shade name on the packaging. Yeah, it is there. It's here, Spice Nude 03. The applicator is very nice of this product, as you can see. I don't want it to do this. Okay, applicator is very nice, but the solution, the product is not that much. It is very sticky. When I like, as you can see, the lips are sticking to each other, which is not at all comfortable. And while removing, जब हम इसको remove करते हैं, like हम obviously makeup लगा रहे हैं, तो makeup को जब हम remove करते हैं, it peels off in a very uncomfortable way, which is really not good. I didn't like that. अगर आप peel कर रहे हो वो एकदम से पूरी निकल जानी चाहिए. Not in that way. It sticks to your lips, it sticks to your skin, and it doesn't. It like वहीं पे ये इकट्ठा होती है और वहीं से remove. Like it's weirdly, the removing thing is really weird. For that I didn't, and it's very heavy, and the stickiness. For a second, if you are like speaking to someone, और अगर आप बात करते करते आपके lips like, yeah, that happens, right? So अगर वो ऐसे stick हो गया, आप बोल रहे हो, तो that is very embarrassing in front of other. So yeah, because of that I didn't like this. Not so comfortable for me. So yeah, I bought like I thought this color will suit my skin, but it didn't. And also the product is also not so comfortable. So I didn't like this one basically. So the next thing which I used to create like in this all basic makeup look is the makeup fixer. I think it's like I haven't used makeup fixer earlier, but I thought it is very necessary to use a makeup fixer. So I again bought a trial pack, which is very convenient. If you want to purchase a full pack, you should use a trial pack first. So basically I use this. I think this is, I have applied it right now. So it says that it lasts for quite of 2 to 4 hours, but let's see. It has vitamin E and aloe vera in it. As you can see in the product packaging, it says that it has vitamin E and aloe vera. It is long lasting as it says on the packaging. सो इसे यूज़ करने के लिए आपको बॉटल को शेक करना है, देन यू हैव टू स्प्रे लाइक क्वाइट 20 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस से ही आपको वो स्प्रे करना है आपके फेस पे. सो दिस I'll be sharing it in future that how long it stayed, because it says that it is long lasting. So if it is, very good. If it is not, I'll be thinking to buy it in future. So yeah, these were the all products I used for creating the makeup look, and from these I really didn't like the lipstick. Other products like these 4 products I have shared the details, and from this I didn't like the lipstick. Other 3 like ठीक है, अच्छे हैं. I haven't got a very great look from these, but yeah, kind of it's good. So what all you think about this product, and what all you think, what all products you want me to review,